So
Absolutely. Why don't you switch me, please?
it's a digital display, right?
Yep.
And then from there it rolls into.
No, absolutely, absolutely. So what we have here is an EX90. This is a video endpoint that we're actually doing a couple different functions on it, or different flavors. The first is we're actually using it first as a kind of a digital content display for like digital media, or what we call digital signage. So for example, here we've got just kind of normal multi-language content. So we've got maybe Spanish, English, etc., talking about checking accounts and different types of things. I could then use this endpoint if I want to actually drive a conversation. So we can either engage it kind of through the touch interface, and actually have it go through and have you place a call. So we'll pick up video from the other side, so you guys get to see the back of your head pretty well here across the room. So now I can have a full conversation with that particular person in the back end, maybe a subject matter expert like loans or 401k or whatnot, or whatever the function I wanted to be. If need be, we can actually drive additional content into this display as well. So if we want, I can push the video into this. So if I want to ask questions specifically about that, I'm just waiting for the PC to board back up.
Yep. So you could push, you could pull up during that discussion.
Yep.
You could pull up content and show a video and say, sorry, so
Yep.
hang on, watch this marketing collateral or about your specific question. It is a new promotion we have. Here's some material on it, right? And that can be shared with the customer. They can then say, all right, that sounds really cool. I want to apply for that. How do I do that? You then would have the ability to move into the forms, kind of a collaborative session, and fill out the forms and things for the customer, with them watching the content being inserted into the system as a potential option, for example.
Yep, absolutely.
And then can you go into the so this is the camera that's being displayed to the customer, but it also can double as a
Document camera if we need to.
So if you see down here, right, that's what the other side from a video perspective would see. Document on the other side, right?
Yep. And we can bring it back up. And it register. And then when we're finished with the call, the endpoint, depending on how we were actually working with it, we can have it be set back up as that content display again. Yeah. So it automatically is going to reset for us.
Yeah, it would have the ability to reset however they
So if someone walks away, it'll reset itself.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, absolutely.
And so the other thing we talked about, right, was you can have this so that it displays a message. Hey, do you want to, as a concierge service, it says, if you want to speak to a Huntington associate, please step up to the Huntington honeycomb, and it would be activated that at the point where someone steps up to the honeycomb, it would engage a video call back to someone who would act as a concierge. So they could run the bank 7 by 24, but not staff it 7 by 24.